You cannot get through a single day without having the impact on the world around you. Whatever you do makes the difference, and you have to decide what kind of difference you want to make. Hello everyone, this is me Sunita, a student of BPKIHS. On the occasion of the World Environment Day, PSRN has organized the speech competition on the topic ecosystem restoration, and I am very glad to be the part of it. Ecosystem, as defined by the National Geography, it is the geographical area where plants, animals, and other organisms, as well as landscapes and weather, work together to form a bubble of life. Every factor, either biotic or abiotic, is directly or indirectly dependent on other factor. There are various types of ecosystem like temperate, tropical, grasslands, desert, coral reefs, etc. Simply, the surface of the earth consists of the series of the connected ecosystem. Ecosystem restoration is the process of repairing the damaged sites in the nature. Somebody may ask, why do I have to restore the ecosystem when I do not cause any damage? But the truth is, every single deed of the human being pile up to cause the damage to the ecosystem. So, every human being on the earth is equally responsible for the damage of the ecosystem. According to the green facts, the structure of the world's ecosystem has changed more rapidly in the last half century than any time in the recorded history, and virtually all of the ecosystem has been transformed by the human actions. More than 35% of the mangroves and 20% of the coral reefs are lost in the last 3 decades. All these actions are caused by humans for their own benefit. Some of the examples include transformation of the 1/4 of the terrestrial land into the cultivated systems, freshwater ecosystem modified by the construction of dams, unplanned urbanization, industrialization, unmanageable waste and pollution that causes the change in the ecosystem processes like carbon, nitrogen, and water cycling. Ecosystem is a common habitat, and we human beings, the superior, is responsible for the damage to the ecosystem. This can lead to the extinction of the species, depletion of the natural resources, natural disasters, and destruction of the local webs of life. It also questions the continuation of the rest of the human on the earth. However, ecosystem can recover from the destruction, but human facilitation of the repair is necessary. There are various measures of ecosystem restoration, such as sowing with the natural seeds, monitoring the natural habitats, replacing the artificial plants with the natural plants, replanting and repairing the forest land, wetlands, and restoring their functions, such as nutrient cycles and food webs, is also necessary. Spreading awareness and attention of the local authorities are also necessary. Self motivation is the must. Let me give you an example of the PSRN that conducted the tree plantation program with hashtag a tree for me campaign. I would like to ask all the participants, how many of you voluntarily participate in this campaign and how many of you participate it for yourself but not for a photo? How many of you have promised to take care of it? The answers to this question explain how much we have been responsible towards ecosystem restoration. Concluding my points, we are guests on the earth. We come and go, but our deeds will always remain on here. Have you ever thought that? What's the use of the fine house if we do not have a tolerable planet to put it on? We destroy it, though we live here. It shows how much we are irresponsible. With sour it love, it will repay in near future, but destroy it, no trace of life sooner. Never take it granted, it's not only yours. You never know when reaches its limit to bear. Not tomorrow, not later, now is always better. Before ending my speech, I would like to include a quote given by George Bernard Shaw. Progress progress is impossible without change. And those who cannot change their mind cannot change anything. Thank you.